Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer income from Fiverr to your US bank account step by step clearly. Log into your Fiverr account. Go to your profile by clicking on your profile icon. Select earnings from the drop-down menu. Click on withdraw to view your withdrawal options. Choose PayPal as your withdrawal method. If you haven't linked your PayPal account yet, do so now by entering your PayPal email address. Confirm the link to ensure your PayPal account is connected. Once your PayPal account is linked, return to the withdrawal options. Enter the amount you wish to withdraw from your Fiverr account. Click on the Confirm button to proceed with the withdrawal. After your funds arrive in your PayPal account, log into your PayPal account. Select Transfer to Bank when viewing your PayPal balance. Choose your linked US bank account from the options available. Enter the amount you wish to transfer to your bank. Review the transfer details to ensure everything is correct. Click Continue to proceed with the transfer. Confirm the transfer to complete the process. Monitor your bank account to see when the funds arrive. Note that transfer times may vary depending on your bank. Keep an eye on any fees associated with the PayPal to bank transfer. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.